हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। तो ये है सेशन 3। पिछले सेशन में हमने गैलेक्सीज के बारे में पढ़ा, हमने स्टार्स के बारे में पढ़ा, डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ स्टार्स वगैरह सीखे हमने। तो चलो तो आज को शुरू करते हैं। ओके सो वी हैव अ रिकैप। व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ काइंड ऑफ स्टार? न्यूट्रॉन, व्हाइट डॉर्फ, रेड डॉर्फ, सैजिटेरियस है। इट इज डेफिनेटली डी, बिकॉज़ सैजिटेरियस इज अ ब्लैक होल एंड ब्लैक होल ऑफ मिल्की वे इट इज इन द सेंटर। उसका मास है 4 मिलियन टाइम्स ज्यादा नहीं है सन से। Evolution of the universe is divided into how many eras? Okay, so we have 2 eras. We have one is radiation era and one is matter era. 2. Okay, so what we are going to do today? So we are going to do, where are we in our Milky Way galaxy, our solar system, planets? Why Pluto is no longer considered as a planet? About some space mission. Where are we in our galaxy? हम अगर सोचते हैं कि यार हम रहते कहाँ है, हमको पता है अर्थ पे रहते हैं, हमको सोलर सिस्टम पता है कि हमारे सोलर सिस्टम में 8 प्लैनेट है। पहले 9 हुआ करते थे, फिर 8 हो गए क्योंकि उसको प्लैनेट नहीं माना गया प्लूटो को। तो ऐसा क्यों होता है? हम कहाँ रहते हैं मिल्की वे में? मिल्की वे में एक ही सोलर प्लैनेट नहीं है भाई, बहुत सारे। तो फिर से इसी हरकत को दोबारा देते हुए अगेन डैश हैव मोर क्वेश्चंस टू आस्क। मॉम, आई हैव वन मोर क्वेश्चन। यस प्लीज आस्क। रियली लोग है क्या भाई ये लोग? Where are we in this huge Milky Way galaxy? Such an interesting question you asked. Okay, I think she is also an astrophysicist because हर चीज का आंसर पता है। Okay, jokes apart, let's go back to this. Our Milky Way galaxy is a spiral galaxy and it's super. Recent research says that our galaxy is 1,50,000 to 20,000 light years across and about 2,000 light years deep and has 100 to 4 billion stars. Okay. तो हमारे रिसर्चर्स बोलते हैं कि हमारा जो गैलेक्सी है मिल्की वे स्पाइरल गैलेक्सी बहुत बड़ी है वो। और रिसेंट टाइम्स में ऐसा पता चला है कि हमारा यार जो ब्रेथ है वो है 1,50,000 से 20,000 तक का, और हमारा डेप्थ है कितना 2,000 लाइट ईयर्स भाई। एंड वी आर अराउंड 100 to 400 बिलियन स्टार्स। ओह रियली? देन वेयर आर वी? लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू दैट इन डिटेल। बड़ा प्यार है। वेयर आर वी इन अ गैलेक्सी? Our Milky Way galaxy is island of stars. Imagine it as a disk with spiral arms emanating from the center. Our sun is about third away from the center to visible edge. Our spiral arm is formally called the Orion, Cygnus and arm or Orion, local arm or Orion bridge or Orion spur. There are 4 spiral arms emanating from the center part. तो यार ये 4 है। हम यहाँ पे रहते हैं, हमारा सोलर सिस्टम ये वाला है। अब इतनी पूरी में देखोगे हमारा सोलर मतलब यहाँ बहुत सारे सोलर सिस्टम है। कोई यहाँ पर होगा, कोई यहाँ पर होगा, कोई यहाँ पर होगा, कोई यहाँ पर होगा, बट वी लिव है। तो हम रहते हैं लेफ्ट ओरायन आर्म में। ओके, वी आर अबाउट 26 लाइट ईयर्स फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ गैलेक्सी। ऑन द अदर एज ऑफ द ओरायन, सिग्नस आर्म सैंडविच बिटवीन 2 प्राइमरी स्पाइरल आर्म्स, द सैजिटेरियस एंड परसीवस। तो हम यहाँ पर है। दिस इज सिग्नस आर्म, this is normal arm, this is our solar system, local or Orion arm. Now let's talk about our solar system in detail. तो ये हमारा सोलर सिस्टम में सबको पता है, बचपन से देखते आ रहे हैं, टीचर रटवाते थे बेफालतू। पता नहीं रटवाने की जरूरत क्या है, इसने ये लिया उसका वो लिया, यहाँ पे घुसा दिया, कहाँ मतलब क्या? कोई नहीं, हम मजे में पढ़ेंगे इसे। So we have sun, then we have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, asteroid belt, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto and Kuiper belt objects Eris। और उसके पीछे भी बहुत सारी चीजें हुई है। तो एक्चुअली क्या होता है, मतलब एक्चुअली क्या हुआ, ऐसा साइंटिस्ट ने बोला, प्रेडिक्ट किया, मतलब प्रेडिक्ट नहीं किया, रिसर्च किया, ये जो एस्टेरॉयड बेल्ट है यहाँ पे एक और ऑर्बिट बन सकता था और यहाँ पर एक और प्लैनेट आ सकता था, बट प्लैनेट नहीं है यहाँ पर, इसलिए एस्टेरॉयड बेल्ट है। और तुम्हें पता है सारे प्लैनेट ऐसे घूमते हैं, इसलिए से अज्यूम दैट सारे प्लैनेट क्लॉकवाइज घूमते हैं, तो ये जो वीनस है ये अपनी एक्सिस पर एंटी क्लॉकवाइज घूमता है। उसके बाद सो दिस इज क्यूपर बेल्ट, दिस इज फर्दर। तो प्लूटो प्लैनेट क्यों नहीं है? प्लूटो प्लैनेट में आगे हम देखेंगे, लेकिन मेन चीज ये है कि प्लूटो किसी भी प्लैनेट को मतलब प्लैनेट मानने के लिए 3 कंडीशन पूरी करनी पड़ती है। तो प्लूटो 2 कंडीशन तो पूरी करता है नहीं, तो तीसरी तो भूल ही जाओ। तो पहली कंडीशन है कि उसका साइज बहुत छोटा है, बाकी प्लैनेट्स का साइज बहुत बड़ा था एज कंपेयर टू ऑल अदर प्लैनेट्स। प्लूटो का साइज काफी छोटा है, और ऐसा बोलते हैं कि प्लूटो दूसरे सोलर सिस्टम से आता है, सो इसलिए ऐसा प्लैनेट नहीं मानते। So let's start first with the main, huge and important body, the sun. तो हम सबसे पहले sun से शुरू करते हैं. हमारा red giant. The sun is a star at the center of the solar system. It is by far the most important source of energy for life on Earth. Its diameter is about 109 times of that of Earth, and its mass is about 330,000 times that of Earth. It accounts for about 99.9 of the total mass of the solar system. मतलब पूरे सोलर सिस्टम में सन का मास है 99.86%. आगे बोली roughly 3/4 of the sun's mass consists of hydrogen 73%, and rest is mostly helium 25%, with much smaller quantities of heavier elements including oxygen, carbon, neon and iron. It formed approximately 4.6 billion years ago from the gravitational collapse of matter within a region of large molecular cloud. Okay, do you know what is sun's future prediction? Okay, so अगर मैं बोलूँ कि मेरे साइड से क्या प्रेडिक्शन है फ्यूचर की, तो मैं ये बोल सकता हूँ कि क्या होता है कि एक सेकंड में सन बिलियंस ऑफ हाइड्रोजन, सेकंड बोलूँ नैनो सेकंड बोलूँगा, कि एक नैनो सेकंड में सन मिलियंस ऑफ हाइड्रोजन और हीलियम कंज्यूम करता है. तो अगर ऐसे रेट पे ही करता गया कंज्यूम, तो एक दिन ऐसा आएगा कि इतना बड़ा बन जाएगा कि अभी तो मतलब इसका बहुत छोटा सा पार्ट इसका बहुत छोटा सा रेडिएशन हमारे अर्थ पे पड़ता है. तो क्या हो सकता है कि इससे पूरी लाइफ वगैरह सब एग्जिस्ट हो सकती है. मतलब देखो दो रास्ते नहीं, मतलब दो चीजें हो सकती है. या तो सन इतना बड़ा बन जाए कि एक्सप्लोजन और फट पूरी गैलेक्सी तबाह, क्योंकि इतना हीलियम इतना हाइड्रोजन है वहाँ पे. या तो सन इतना गर्म बन जाए कि हम उसके रेडिएशन बहुत गर्म हो और बाकी प्लैनेट्स चलना चालू कर दें और हमें तो उसका कैंसर हो जाएगा और हम कट लेंगे यहाँ से. वैसे भी आजकल कमी नहीं है भाई, लोग कचरा यहाँ फेंकते हैं, कुछ का कुछ करते हैं. तो चलो. Okay, when hydrogen fusion in its core has diminished to the point at which the sun is no longer a stable state, its core will undergo a marked increase in density and temperature while its outer layers expand, eventually transforming the sun into a red giant. It is calculated that the sun will become sufficiently large to engulf the current orbits of Mercury and Venus and render Earth uninhabitable, but not for about 5 billion years. मतलब ये मानो कि अभी 5 billion years अपने पास चल करो कुछ नहीं. So we have course Milky Way galaxy is an dash galaxy. It is a spiral galaxy. तो यार ये भी different types की galaxies होती है. elliptical होता है, regular होता है, disk भी होती है. When the sun will die, it will transform into a red giant star. There are more things that you may have not noticed in our amazing solar system. Asteroids क्या होता है? Asteroids are minor planets, especially of the inner solar system. Larger asteroids have also been called planetoids, as they also revolve around sun like planets. There are a lot of asteroids in our solar system. Most of them live in the main asteroid belt, a region between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Asteroids hang out in other places too. For example, some asteroids are found in the orbital path of planets. This means that the asteroid and the planet follow the same path around the sun. Earth and a few planets have asteroids like this. Asteroid belt. The asteroid is a bit of a rock. It can be thought of as what was left over after the sun and all the planets were formed. Most of the asteroids in the solar system can be found orbiting the sun between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. This area is sometimes called the asteroid belt. ये जो दिख रहा है तुम्हें, ये asteroid belt, पत्थर asteroid belt. जैसे हम डोरेमोन वगैरह में देखते थे, इसके ऊपर गाड़ी चलाएंगे, सैटर्न के ऊपर गाड़ी चला दी है स्टीयरिंग के ऊपर. There is a chance that two asteroids in the middle can collide with each other. When this happens, the asteroids may break up into smaller asteroids. Scientists think that most asteroids are the result of collisions between larger rocky space bodies. Okay, so asteroid belt is made up of सारी चीजें बनी है. तो यार asteroid belt में हमारा ऐसा नहीं कि बस पत्थर ही पत्थर, मतलब एक्चुअली वो पत्थर नहीं है, पत्थर है लेकिन वो पत्थर नहीं है. It is a combination of gas, dust and rocks. Okay, अब Kuiper belt की बात करते हैं. फिर Kuiper belt बहुत आखिरी में है, बहुत ज्यादा. The Kuiper belt, occasionally called the Edgeworth Kuiper belt, is a circumstellar disk in the outer solar system, extending from the orbit of Neptune to approximately 50 astronomical units from the Sun. It is similar to the asteroid belt but is far larger, 20 times as wide and 20 to 200 times as massive. तो ये Kuiper belt बहुत पीछे है और ये बहुत dense है. Asteroid belt के comparison में तो बहुत ज़्यादा. Similar to the asteroid belt, the Kuiper belt is a region of leftovers from a solar system's early history, although it's more of a thick disk, like a donut than a thin belt. The Kuiper belt is truly a frontier in space. It's a place where we are still just beginning to explore and our understanding is still evolving. मतलब क्या हुआ कि जो हमारा मतलब जो हिस्ट्री हमारी बोलती है सोलर सिस्टम की फॉर्मेशन की, वो ये बोलती है कि हमारा जो क्यूपर बेल्ट फॉर्म हुआ, ये मतलब बोलते हैं ना कचरा वगैरह बच जाता है खाना में, जैसे पिज्जा वगैरह मंगवाया टॉपिंग्स वगैरह बच गए तो वो इकट्ठा कर दो तो उससे क्यूपर बेल्ट बन जाए. Astronomers think that the icy objects of the Kuiper belt are remnants left over of the solar system, similar to the relationship between the main asteroid belt and Jupiter. It's a region of objects that might have come together to form a planet. Have Neptune not been there? Okay. तो ये मतलब ये हमारी जो कुछ सैटेलाइट्स वगैरह भेजे गए थे, यहाँ तक भेजे गए हैं. एक क्यूपर बेल्ट मतलब भेजे थे, क्यूपर बेल्ट पर भी भेजे गए थे. This one is sun, this is belt, this is Saturn belt, this is Uranus belt, this green one is Saturn belt, this pink one is Uranus belt, and this orange one is Neptune belt. तो इसमें भेजे गए थे काफी सारे. So Pioneer 11, Voyager 1, MUS 69 यार इन्हें नाम के सोच के रखा था. Voyager 2, Pioneer 10, New Horizons, Oort cloud. तो यार ये भी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज है कि Oort cloud कैसे फॉर्म होता है और कैसे क्या रहते हैं. तो the Kuiper belt shouldn't be confused with the Oort cloud, which is a much more distant region of icy comet-like bodies that surrounds the solar system, including the Kuiper belt. Both the Oort cloud and the Kuiper belt are thought to be sources of comets. The Oort cloud lies far beyond Pluto and the most distant edges of the Kuiper belt. मतलब Oort cloud यार बहुत पीछे होते हैं, Kuiper belt के भी बहुत पीछे. तो एक टाइप के क्लाउड होते हैं मतलब लेकिन डिफरेंट होते हैं, बहुत हाईली डेंस होते हैं और इसमें मतलब प्लाज्मा नहीं बोल सकते तुम, लेकिन कुछ तो रहता है. Then we have comets. तो हम सुनते रहते हैं यहाँ comet वहाँ comet, comets. So comets are cosmic snowballs of frozen gases, rock and dust that orbit the sun. When frozen, they are the size of a small town. When a comet's orbit brings it close to the sun, it heats up and spews dust and gases into a giant glowing head larger than most of planets. So this is this one. Suppose this is a planet and this is a comet. So it goes here. इधर से कट लिया. Most comets travel the same distance from the sun. Comet Halley comes no closer than 89 million kilometers, 55 million miles. However, some comets called sun grazers crash straight into the sun or get so close that they break up and evaporate. Appearance of comets with short time period can be predicted, but it's difficult to predict with long time periods. Comet. Okay, quiz again. Kuiper belt is present after which planet? Neptune. Which comet is nearest to the Earth? Which comet is nearest to the Earth? Halley's comet, I think. Halley's comet. So the following is present at the most distant from the Earth. Okay, Oort cloud. Planets in our solar system. अब हम planets की बात करने वाले हैं जो हमारे solar system में already present है. Okay, there are more planets than stars in our galaxy. The current count orbiting our star 8. Solar system में हमारे 8 planet है जो currently है Pluto को exclude करके. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, the inner rocky planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. These are inner planets. The outer planets are gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn, and ice giants, Uranus and Neptune. Beyond Neptune, a newer class of smaller worlds called dwarf planets. They are Pluto dwarf planet actually, green. Including perennial favorite Pluto, Mercury. Mercury is the smallest and innermost planet in the solar system. Its orbit around the sun takes 87.97 days, the shortest of all the planets in the solar system. Mercury is one of the terrestrial and rocky planets. It has no atmosphere and it doesn't have any moons. Mercury takes 59 Earth days to make one full rotation. A year on Mercury goes by fast because it's the closest planet to the sun. It doesn't take very long to go all the way around it. It completes one revolution around the sun in just 88 Earth days. It has a slow spin. Venus. It is the second nearest to the sun, hottest and a terrestrial planet. It has a thick atmosphere full of greenhouse gas, carbon dioxide and clouds made of sulfuric acid. The gas traps heat and keeps Venus toasty warm. In fact, it's so hot on Venus, metals like lead would be puddles of metal melted liquid. Venus looks like a very active planet. It has mountains and volcanoes. Venus is similar in size to Earth. Earth is just a little bit bigger. On Venus, the sun rises every 117 Earth days. That means the sun rises 2 times during each year on Venus, even though it is still the same day on Venus. And because Venus rotates backwards, the sun rises in the west and sets in the east. Earth, our home planet, is the 3rd planet from the sun and the only place we know of so far that's inhabited by living things. Earth is only the 5th largest planet in the solar system. It is the only world in a solar system with liquid water on the surface. Sun size is about 109 times that of the Earth's size. It takes about 8 minutes for light from the sun to reach a planet. मतलब 8 मिनट लगते हैं, मतलब सन की लाइट को अर्थ तक आने में 8 मिनट लगते हैं. As Earth orbits the sun, it completes one rotation every 23.9 hours or 24 hours. It takes 365.25 days to complete one trip around the sun. The extra quarter of a day presents a challenge to our calendar system, which counts 1 year as 365 days, called a leap year. 366, I think. It is 366. It is the only planet that has a single moon. Our moon is the brightest. It is responsible for making Earth such a great home. It stabilizes our planet's orbit, which has made climate less variable over thousands of years. Then we have Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system after Mercury. And it is half the size of Earth. Scientists want to know if Mars may have had living things in the past. They also want to know if Mars could support life now or in the future. Mars is a cold desert world. Mars is sometimes called the red planet. It's red because of rusty iron in the ground. मतलब we can say that कि Mars पे resources के chances बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, मतलब मिल सकते हैं वहाँ पे. Like Earth, Mars has seasons, polar ice caps, volcanoes, canyons, and weather. It has a very thin atmosphere made of carbon dioxide, hydrogen और नाइट्रोजन है आर्गन. और एक बहुत मतलब बढ़िया चीज़ है, तुम्हें पता है हमारी जो पूरा सोलर सिस्टम है सबसे बड़ा वॉल्केनो है मार्स पर. सबसे बड़ा वॉल्केनो मार्स पर है. One day on Mars lasts 24.6 hours. It is just a little longer than a day on Earth. 1 year on Mars is 687 Earth days. कितना बड़ा है. It is almost twice as long as 1 year on Earth. Mars has two moons. Their names are Phobos and Deimos. तो भाई मार्स के दो मून होते हैं, Phobos और एक Deimos है. Which is the densest planet in our solar system? Okay, that is Earth. Which two planets have no moon? Mars, Mercury, Earth, Mars, Mercury, Venus, Venus, Earth. That is Mercury और Venus में moon ही नहीं है. Jupiter, fifth in line from the Sun. Jupiter is by far the largest planet in the solar system, more than twice as massive as the other planets combined. Jupiter's familiar stripes and swirls are actually cold, windy clouds of ammonia and water floating in an atmosphere of hydrogen and helium. Jupiter has several rings. Its rings are very faint and made of dust, not ice. Jupiter is 11 times wider than Earth. If Earth were the size of a nickel, Jupiter would be about as big as a basketball. Jupiter has the shortest day in the solar system. One day on Jupiter takes only about 10 hours. मतलब 10 घंटे में दिन समा. ठीक है. हम मुझे लगता है हम गलत प्लैनेट पे ले रहे हैं. हम गलत प्लैनेट पर रह रहे हैं. हमें ऐसे प्लैनेट पर रहना चाहिए. Jupiter makes a complete orbit around the Sun a year in Jovian time in about 12 Earth years. Oh bhai. With 4 large moons and many smaller moons, Jupiter forms a kind of miniature solar system. Jupiter has 53 confirmed moons and 26 provisional moons awaiting confirmation of discovery. Okay, तो तुम्हें पता है Jupiter actually doesn't orbit around the Sun. That is true because with 2.5 times the mass of all the other planets in the solar system combined, it is big enough that the center of gravity between Jupiter and the Sun doesn't actually reside inside the Sun, rather at a point in space just above the Sun's surface. मतलब क्या होता है कि Jupiter actually हमारे Sun को orbit नहीं करता, वो उसकी mass की वजह से. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest in the solar system after Jupiter. It has thousands of beautiful ringlets. It is unique among the planets. It has the second shortest day in the solar system. One day takes only 10.7 hours. Its axis is tilted by 26.7 degrees with respect to its orbit around the Sun. Thus, Saturn experiences seasons. Saturn is blanketed atmosphere with clouds that appear as paint, stripes, jet streams and storms. Saturn is a blanketed atmosphere with clouds that appear as paint, stripes, jet streams and storms. The planet is many different shades of yellow, brown and grey, like fellow gas giant Jupiter. Saturn is a massive ball made mostly of hydrogen and helium, surrounded by more than 60 known moons. The Saturn system is a rich source of scientific discovery and still holds many mysteries. That is called Uranus. Uranus is an ice giant. It is mostly made of falling icy materials above a solid core. Uranus is made of water, methane and ammonia fluids above a small rocky center. Its atmosphere is made of hydrogen and helium like Jupiter and Saturn. But it also has methane. Methane makes Uranus blue. Okay, so methane here makes it blue. You know this? Okay, Uranus also has 13 faint rings. The inner rings are narrow and dark. The outer rings are brightly colored and easy to see. Uranus is the only planet that spins on its side. One day on Uranus lasts a little over 17 hours. 1 year on Uranus is the same as 84 years on Earth. Oh bhai, Uranus has 27 known moons. Neptune. Neptune is the 8th and farthest known planet from the Sun in the solar system. Dark, cold, and whipped by supersonic winds, ice giant, Neptune is the 8th and most distant planet in our solar system. One year Neptune takes about 16 hours. Most 80% or more of the planet's mass is made up of hot, dense fluid of icy materials, water, methane, and ammonia. Neptune's atmosphere is made up of mostly of hydrogen and helium. Okay, with just a little bit of methane. It has at least 5 main rings. It has 14 known moons. Neptune's largest moon, Triton. Triton is the only large moon in the solar system that circles its planet in a direction opposite to the planet's rotation, a retrograde orbit, which suggests that it may once have been an independent object that it captured. Which planet has the largest moon? अभी मैं देखा Jupiter. Which planet has the shortest in our solar system? Now we seen Jupiter. Jupiter है? दोगे भी यार. That is wrong. So which planet has the largest moon? So the Neptune has the largest moon. Neptune गलत है. This is wrong. Neptune has the largest moon. Which planet has the shortest in our solar system? Shortest है Uranus. No, Mars, Neptune, Jupiter. That is definitely Mars. Mars has the shortest day in our solar system. Which planet? गलत दिया है इसमें. Do you know? You know, Pluto used to be a planet of our... Okay, so now we're discussing about Pluto. तो कहाँ हुए रखना? You know, Pluto used to be a planet of our solar system, but it's not now. Why? Let's see. Pluto. A while back, Pluto was the 9th planet from the Sun. It was also the smallest planet, but now it's not. Pluto is categorized as a dwarf planet. In 2006, Pluto was categorized with 3 other objects in the solar system that are about the same small size as Pluto: Ceres, Makemake, and Eris. These objects along with Pluto are much smaller than the other planets. Pluto is a dwarf planet that lies in the Kuiper belt. It's an area full of icy bodies and other dwarf planets at the edge of our solar system. Okay, because Pluto is the biggest known object in this region. Some call it king of the Kuiper belt. Astronomers have put these objects into a new family called dwarf planets. We have Namaka, Haumea, Hyakka, Pluto, Charon. This is Earth. Makemake, Eris, Dysomnia, Luna, Ceres. मुझे लगता है कि यार साइंटिस्ट क्या सोच के नाम रखते होंगे. Makemake, Shake, Almost all the planets travel around the sun in nearly perfect circles, but Pluto does not. It takes an oval-shaped path with the sun nowhere near its center. What's more, its path is quite tilted from the nice orderly plane where all the planets orbit. Mercury has a slightly lopsided orbit, although not nearly so much as Pluto's. How do we know so much about space on our solar system? हमको कैसे पता है इतनी सारी चीज़ों के बारे में? Because there are many space missions carried out by many organizations. तो हमें मतलब ये सारी चीज़ें पता इसलिए क्योंकि हमारी जो हमारे जो लोग हैं, हमारी जो गवर्नमेंट रिसर्चर्स वगैरह, हमारे साइंटिस्ट हैं, इनने इतना इनिशिएटिव लिया कि हमें यार जानना है, हमें एक्सप्लोरेशन करना है. तो मतलब ऐसा कि हम अभी बच्चे हैं स्पेस एक्सप्लोर करने में, बट दैट इज ग्रेट. वी नीड टू ट्राई, वी नीड टू एक्सपीरियंस. ओके, तो ये हम प्रोग्राम्स के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं. तो ये तुम्हें बहुत अच्छे से पता होगा, इसरो के द्वारा किया गया था चंद्रयान 1, चंद्रयान 2. तो चंद्रयान प्रोग्राम बाय इसरो, Chandrayaan 1. It was India's first lunar probe. It was launched by the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO in October 2008 and operated until August 2009. The mission included a lunar orbiter and an impactor. The mission was a major boost to the India space program, and as India researched and developed its own technology in order to explore the moon, the vehicle was successfully inserted into lunar orbit on 8 November 2008. Chandrayaan 2. It was launched from the second launch pad at Satish Dhawan Space Center on 22 July 2019. Recently, अभी तो हुआ ना, to the moon via Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle Mark 3 GSLV Mk3. It consists of a lunar orbiter, lander, and a rover. लेकिन lander निकल पाया ना. All developed in India. The main scientific object is to map the location and abundance of lunar water. Mars Orbiter Mission. Mission Mangal. देखी होगी ना तुमने मूवी Mission Mangal, अक्षय कुमार, विद्या. Mars Orbiter Mission, MOM, also called Mangalyaan, is a spacecraft orbiting Mars since 24 September 2014. It was launched on 5th November 2013 by the Indian Space ISRO. It is India's first interplanetary mission, and ISRO has become the fourth space agency to reach Mars. Out of the Soviet space program, NASA, and the European Space Agency, India is the first Asian nation to reach Mars orbit and the first nation in the world to do it. So, the first attempt, हमने पहली बार में करके दिखा दिया था. For more than a decade, NASA's Cassini spacecraft showed the wonders of Saturn and its family of icy moons. It revealed in great detail the true wonders of Saturn, a giant world ruled by raging storms and delicate harmonies of gravity. तो ये सारी ऐसी चीज है, देख लें तुम लोग. Then we have NASA's Voyager 2. So this was very good. This was a very successful mission. NASA's Voyager 2 is the only spacecraft to have visited Neptune up close. It flew past in 1989. On its way out of the solar system, Neptune is the only planet in our solar system not visible to the naked eye and first predicted by mathematics before its discovery. Chandra, NASA. Since 1919, the Chandra X-ray Observatory has been scanning the skies in X-ray light, looking at some of the most distant and bizarre astronomical events. With Earth's space atmosphere blocks out most X-rays astronomers could view the universe in this high-energy, short wavelength light until they send Chandra up to the space. You can say that. Okay, this planet does not have a ring around it. Uranus, Mars, Neptune, Jupiter, that is Mars. Since which year, Pluto is not considered as a planet in our solar system, 2006. Okay, let's summarize. So हमने क्या क्या सीखा आज? We are in Milky Way galaxy. We are present at an Orion arm in Milky Way galaxy. There are lots of more celestial bodies in our solar system, other than planets, suns, and stars, like asteroids, asteroid belt, Kuiper belt, Oort cloud, and comets. There are total 8 planets present in our solar system. Venus spins opposite to the direction of Earth. Earth is our densest planet. Saturn has highest number of moons revolving around it. Pluto is no longer considered as planet since 2006. Pluto is called as dwarf planet. Okay, तो इसी के साथ आज का सेशन यहीं पे समाप्त करते हैं. तो अगर तुम्हें वीडियो अच्छी लगी और कुछ समझ में और नॉलेज मिला हो, कुछ वैल्यू ऐड हो गई हो तुम्हारे अंदर, तो वीडियो को लाइक करना, नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कर देना. और पढ़ाई को हमेशा मजे में लिया करो, पढ़ाई से डरना नहीं, भागना नहीं, मजे में करो यार. एक एडिक्शन है, नशा बन जाता है एक टाइम की बात, बट डू. तो इसी के साथ मिलते हैं अगले सेशन में. बाय गाइस, सी यू.